Okay, first thing first, on your phone, you locate your web browser, Google Chrome. Locate Google Chrome on your phone. Go into your phone and you look for Google Chrome. You select Google Chrome, and then you go to Google AdSense. For myself, it's already been, this is my account I've been using for a long time. So I have some kind of, tab extensions being already set on my username. So yeah, I have my Google AdSense on my Google browser, Google Chrome browser. So yeah, it is. Okay, yes. So on my Google Chrome browser, I have my Google AdSense as an extension here. So I click the Google extension on my browser, Chrome browser, and then it's taking me to my Google AdSense account. Yes, inside it you see that's the earnings from my YouTube channel. That's the earnings from my YouTube channel, and you see that warning sign kind of that red highlight there. It's for me to update the payment method on my Google AdSense account. So we'll do that together. So let's go into view payments, and we'll go in and we'll fill the details together, and we go through the whole process together. So please flow with me, bear with me to the end of this video. It's loading. It's loading. Okay, that's it. That's the red highlight that I've been talking about. To receive payouts, please choose a valid payment method. So that's it. This is what we're gonna do tonight. We're gonna fill the necessary information for my payment method, and then the payment will come straight to me in Papua New Guinea. So that's it. I have to update now, so I select update. It says add payment method. Okay, I'm selecting add payment method. Here it says add new wire transfer details, or you add new check details. Check will take time for me, so I don't need to do that. I have to add new wire details so that it goes straight to my bank account. So I select add new wire details, and this is the necessary information that I have to fill in. So beneficiary ID, it says optional. I have to put in my name here. I'll say Chronicles of, not my name, but any beneficiary ID that I have to put in, but it's optional. So name of bank account, name of bank account, I will fill in name on bank account, my full name. That's Himo. That's my full name. I fill it in. Okay. Bank name. It's BSP Financial Group Limited. BSP. We'll confirm that later, but just put it for now. BSP Financial Group Limited. That's for now currently, and I've already I have my I wrote down the Swift code. I researched it on BSP's homepage. There, we will go there later, just in a couple of seconds. But wait a minute, and I'll go. I fill this one first. Okay, BIC Swift code. I wrote it down already, so that's BOS PPGPM. PPGPM. And then account number followed by my account number. Okay, that's my account number 000063. Okay, that's my account number and my okay. Yeah, I just put YouTube. YouTube. Okay, you type account number. Okay, on this side, it seems like I filled out much of the information, but let me confirm the uh, BIC. Let me confirm the Swift BIC offenses code basis in 8 digit. Okay, okay, that's it. We are correct here. That's the 8 digit we filled in. Okay, I click save. It's loading, and that's it. It's been saved already. It's been saved already. So now let me see. How am I gonna withdraw this one? Payments. Go to payments. So that's it. That one will go. I've just completed it. So maybe it will load. It will load and show up on the screen that. Okay, okay, okay. It's here now. I see. Okay, manage payments. How you get paid? It's already been loading. So now it's already on the system here. So wire transfer to bank account, Emu Parilia. That's my name. Okay, thank you. Manage payments. I select it and I go in, and then from there I select it again. Okay, that's it. And voila, that's it. And that's how you just select. You add in your details, and then you wait, and the payment will be paid straight into your bank account. So when the payment goes straight into the bank account, into my bank account, I will do another withdrawal. I will do another video and show the withdrawal process that I'm going through. So yeah, so that's it. When I when the money goes into my bank account, we have to wait for some a little bit of clearance here. So since it's a international transaction, so I think at least by some hours time, this money will be available in my bank account. So thank you very much for watching to the end of this video. And please subscribe and drop a comment, interact with me and with Flowa. So if whatever happens on this video, on this process that I've just made, in this video, I will still update. So subscribe and follow me on my next update to come. Thank you very much for watching my videos and giving likes and subscribing to the channel. Much love and stay blessed. Kids!